Kaylee?
Yeah.
What did you say you were scared of?
Getting married.
Why are you scared of getting married?
Because I don't want to.
Why not?
Because I don't want to.
Do you want to drive a car?
Yeah.
You were just telling me about you want to drive a car.
Uh-huh.
But you don't want to get married?
No.
Because you're scared?
Yeah.
And there's no reason you're scared?
No.
Do you like your puppy dog?
Yeah.
Cool.
Do you like your puppy dog?
Yeah. How did you do at school today?
Good.
Did you do anything?
We just sewed.
You what?
We sewed
What'd you sew?
a K.
Oh, for your name?
Yeah.
That's cool. Anything else on your mind you want to tell me about?
No. What else do you need to tell you about?
Just what's on your mind.
I want to drive a race car.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Because I like it. Because I like the race.
Cool.
I like to play the piano.
Do you know Ruby is eating your headphones?
Can I go get it?
Yeah. Show me your puppy.
Don't pull on her coat like that.
So what else do you say? You like to play the piano. What else?
This is my dog.
What's her name?
Her name's Ruby. Ruby?
Do you love her?
Yeah.
So, anything else you wanted to talk about?
Let's see here. I like to play outside.
Yeah.
And I do you want to know what I do outside?
Yeah.
I play a little soccer. I play with my friends, Julius and Isaiah. No. Hold on. So, what's your name? No! She took my little bear. No! Somebody! Look. What else? Let's see here. I like to play let me try. Let me try to videotape you. So, what do you like to do?
I like to
What else?
play with Kaylee and Kyle.
What is it you guys do?
Okay, they usually fight and cry and scream and yell at each other.
Wait. What else do you like to do?